This Japanese restaurant sa may BGC ay sikat sa kanilang very huge sushi platters, tipong isang kagat mo lang busog ka na, baka hindi pa nga magkasya sa bibig mo. Hindi lang yon kasi naka 50% off din sila. I've been sa Malate branch nila, so let's see if BGC branch can keep up. Here's their exact location. Medyo intimidating pumasok kasi medyo mahal yung vibes ng place, pero this is mid-price range, lalo na nasa BGC. Let's start sa silky and smooth egg. Has that nice crab broth. Texture is like taho, which I love. Yung sashimi nila has 4 kinds to offer. Of course, meron salmon, tuna, may baby squid, and cuttlefish. Again, what I love about sa kanilang sashimi, hindi siya malansa. And if you love chicken, you should not miss out chicken salad nila. But sa crispy chicken, meron siyang crispy chicken skin. Yung acid taste ng salad nila balances well doon sa fried chicken. Hindi ka mauumay at light. Nagasaki ramen nila has fresh noodles, light and creamy yung broth na merong smoky taste because merong bell peppers. Yung pork nila sobrang tender, nagustuhan ko din yung ratio ng fat and meat. You can ask for togarashi if you want this to be spicy. Yakitori nila is kinda a miss and hit. Love